What is Scrum? Scrum is one of the most popular Agile frameworks. It stands on the principles of self-organization, collaboration, value-based prioritization, time boxing, and last but not the least, iterative development. Self-organization results in better team buy-in, joint ownership, and a more conducive environment for growth. Collaboration increases better interaction within the team and customer. Value-based prioritization delivers maximum business value. Time boxing helps in better management of project planning and execution work. And iterative development helps in building product as per the customer's needs. Now, let's discuss the key roles in Scrum. These are Product Owner, Scrum Master, and Scrum Team. A product owner defines the project vision, identifies business stakeholders, clearly communicates functionality requirements of product or service to the Scrum team, prioritizes items in the prioritized product backlog, defines acceptance criteria, understand the needs and priorities of the business stakeholders, including customers and users. A Scrum Master serves as a coach for the Scrum team, facilitates selection of members to the Scrum team, assists Scrum team in task estimation, developing sprint backlog, and creating deliverables agreed for the sprint. Ensures Scrum team is following Scrum principles and processes, removes obstacles, and ensures that team has a productive environment free from external influences. Scrum team, also known as development team, is responsible for developing the required product or service. They estimate and develop tasks based on the user stories in the product backlog. Scrum team creates deliverables, identifies risk, and implement risk mitigation actions. Scrum team participates in daily stand-up meetings, review meetings, and retrospectives. They are a group of self-organized, flexible, and highly productive team members. Now, let's discuss how the Scrum process works. It starts with a stakeholder meeting. In this meeting, project vision is created, and business requirements are gathered based on customers' feedback. Next is product backlog. Requirements gathered in stakeholder meeting are expressed as epics and user stories. This helps in identifying the features required to develop the product or service. A product backlog contains all the features required to be developed in the sprints. Features with higher business value are prioritized. A product backlog needs to be updated whenever a customer proposes changes in the product being developed. Sprint backlog contains high-priority features which are required to be developed in the current sprint. It is usually created during sprint planning meeting held at the beginning of each sprint. The sprint backlog is updated in each subsequent sprint. However, no changes are made to it during an ongoing sprint. Next is sprint. Sprint is a time-boxed activity which usually has a duration of 1 to 4 weeks. During each sprint, features of highest value are brought in sprint backlog. Daily stand-up meetings are conducted to check project progress. In each sprint, deliverables are released and presented to customer in sprint review meeting. Sprint cycle ends with a retrospective meeting where team discusses ways for improvement in subsequent sprints. They also document lesson learned of the current sprint. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.